Imagine two people. Both work for 40 years, both earn good salaries, yet one retires comfortably, while the other spends retirement worrying about money. How does that happen? Because the biggest retirement problem in America isn't low income. It's something far more dangerous. And most people don't notice it until it's too late. Let's start with someone we'll call Michael. Michael graduates college at 22, gets a decent job, rents an apartment, buys a reliable car. Nothing unusual. A few years later, he gets promoted. Now let's look at some simple math. Imagine someone invests $500 every month, not $5,000, just $500. If that money grows at an average annual return of 8%, after 30 years, it could become more than $700,000. After 40 years, it could exceed $1.5 million. That's the power of time. Now here's where things become interesting. What happens if that person waits 10 years before starting? Instead of investing at age 25, they begin at 35. Same investment, same monthly contribution, same return. But now they end up with hundreds of thousands of dollars less, not because they invested incorrectly, not because they chose bad stocks, simply because they lost 10 years. Retirement wealth isn't usually built through brilliance. It's built through time. Unfortunately, human psychology works against us. People naturally focus on immediate rewards. A vacation today feels real. A retirement account 40 years from now feels imaginary. A new car feels exciting. A future investment balance feels distant. This is why so many intelligent people struggle financially. Not because they're bad at math, because they're human. Our brains evolved to prioritize the present, not the future. The retirement crisis often starts when people continuously choose immediate comfort over long-term security, and they rarely notice the cost because the consequences arrive decades later. One decision doesn't hurt, two decisions don't hurt, but thousands of small decisions compound over time, just like investments do. Today, millions of Americans are approaching retirement. Many assumed things would somehow work out. Many believed they would save more later, invest more later, start planning later. But later arrived faster than expected. The reality is simple. Retirement doesn't care how much money you intended to save. It only reflects what actually happened. And this isn't just a problem for low-income households. Many high-income earners face the exact same challenge because income alone doesn't create retirement security. The ability to consistently save and invest does. A person earning $70,000 who invests consistently may retire more comfortably than someone earning $150,000 who never develops that habit. Retirement success is often determined by behavior, not income. So why do most Americans never retire rich? It's usually not because they lacked opportunity. It's usually not because they lacked intelligence. It's because small financial decisions repeated over decades become permanent outcomes. The good news is that retirement wealth doesn't require perfection. It doesn't require predicting the stock market. It doesn't require becoming a financial expert. It requires consistency. The people who retire comfortably are often not the luckiest. They're simply the people who gave their money enough time to work. And that's the lesson many people discover too late, because retirement isn't built in a single year. It's built through thousands of small decisions made over decades. If you enjoy calm, practical discussions about money and retirement, consider subscribing for more videos like this. And remember, the future is often shaped by the decisions that seem small today.